Hello, I'm a Wood-Mizer representative. I'm going to be showing you the Lubemizer and the inside of it. The Lubemizer has a pulse or continuous switch. It can be rocked in either position or left in the off position when you're not using it. The Lubemizer doesn't come on until the forward reverse switch is in forward. You can see if I have it in continuous, put it in neutral, it goes off. Reverse, it won't be on. Forward or continuous, light is solid. Putting into pulse, the pulse switch can be adjusted to make it pulse faster or slower. The reason for showing you the differences here is that if your Lubemizer doesn't operate in continuous or pulse, you want to check the 4 amp fuse holder. You can see how the wire comes off. This is a fuse holder. As you pop the top off, you can see we have a 4 amp fuse. Not really an unusual fuse, one that you can get locally at Auto Parts Place. But if that fuse blows, I would have you do some testing to find out why it blew. Sometimes in the winter you'll have frozen water in your pump and it'll make that fuse blow. The other fuse that's located here in this other holder is for the pulse, for pulsing it. So if your continuous works and your pulse doesn't, then you want to check that pulse fuse.